Hey there, and welcome back to I'm No Rookie. So, in today's episode, I want to take you on a personal journey that I think is filled with unexpected turns, hard lessons, and ultimately empowerment. So, if you've ever felt like your learning path wasn't straightforward or that you had to work twice as hard to prove yourself, this episode is for you. I'm sharing how my beauty industry journey started off on the wrong foot, how I navigated through multiple institutions, and how discovering I was dyslexic later in life changed everything for me. So let's get started. When I first started my beauty therapy qualification, I unknowingly enrolled in an organization that wasn't even registered. I went through the motions thinking I was on the right track, only to find out at assessment time, so towards the end of the qualification, that I had to start over somewhere else because the school wasn't registered to deliver the qualification. That moment was a wake up call. Starting fresh at a new college wasn't easy. I joined a class that was already 5 months ahead, but I pushed through, completed my level 2, and then made a bold decision. Instead of moving straight into level 3, I repeated level 2 again, this time at a more structured institution that offered both level 2 and level 3 together. Why? Because as a dyslexic learner, I need to truly understand the material, not just pass the assessment. I refuse to bluff my way through my education. My new qualification was exactly what I needed. It was more science based, covering microbiology, dermatology, anatomy and physiology, critical subjects, especially for level 3. I studied holistic massage, Indian hair therapy, aromatherapy, remedial exercise alongside the usual beauty therapy techniques. Some of my friends questioned why I was repeating a year, but I knew my learning journey had to be different. By the time I completed my level 3 with a distinction, I was confident in my skills and knowledge. That confidence led me to take another leap. I enrolled in a degree in complementary therapy. It was during my undergrad that I was officially diagnosed as dyslexic. And let me tell you, that was one of the most empowering moments of my life. It explained why learning had always felt like an uphill battle, why I needed extra time to absorb information, and why I couldn't just memorize and regurgitate facts like others could. But instead of letting it hold me back, I used that knowledge to my advantage. I learned how to study in a way that worked for me. I worked part time as a beauty therapist while studying, applying what I learned in real time. My confidence grew, and so did my reputation. My employers saw the difference. I wasn't just another therapist, I was someone who understood the science, the techniques, and the why behind everything I did. That commitment to learning and growth didn't go unnoticed. I was offered the opportunity to become an in-store trainer, and before long, I was traveling internationally training therapists in luxury spa hotels, places like Hong Kong, Singapore, Cyprus. And back in the UK, I was onboarding new therapists, managers, homeopaths, and pharmacists, helping them understand our product range and treatment services. But I didn't stop there. Pursued a master's in international spa management, which opened my eyes to the business side of the industry, operations, PR, marketing, and even research philosophies. This knowledge helped me to develop bespoke training programs for spa managers, bridging the gap between therapy and business. One thing I've always been passionate about is looking at the bigger picture. As I moved into management training, I noticed something alarming. High turnover rates. One year we lost 40 employees. When I pushed for exit interviews, the results were clear. People were leaving due to the lack of progression opportunities. So I took action. I promised and developed a spa retail management development program designed to train assistant managers and senior therapists, giving them a structured path to career growth. Each stage of the program came with certifications because I believe in tangible recognition for skills gained. This wasn't just about filling roles, it was about empowering people to grow within their careers. So, reflecting on my journey, I've realized that the most important lesson came from experience, trial and error, and taking action. If you're navigating your own career path, here are 5 key tips that can help you along the way. 1. Invest in the right learning environment. Not all institutions are equal. Take the time to research accredited courses and ensure that you align with your learning needs. A strong foundation makes all the difference. Number 2, embrace learning at your own pace. It's okay to take longer or repeat a course if it means gaining a deeper understanding. True confidence comes from knowledge, not just passing the exam. Number 3, apply what you learn. Qualifications are valuable. Experience is what truly sets you apart. Look at ways to implement your knowledge, whether through work experience, mentorship, or hands-on practice. 4. Stay open to unexpected opportunities. Your path may not be linear, and that's okay. Some of the best career moves happen when you say yes to opportunities outside your original plan. Number 5, recognize your unique value. Your journey, your struggles, and your strengths make you stand out. Use them to advantage. Don't compare your path to others. Own it and make it work for you. So with these tips in mind, let's bring together everything with my final thought. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that education isn't just about getting a certificate. It's about using that knowledge, implementing it, and gaining real experience. Every single qualification I pursued has helped me advance in my career. But more importantly, it's allowed me to create opportunities for others. And if you're listening to this, wondering if your path is taking too long or if you're behind, let me tell you this. You are in control of your own journey. You don't need to have it all figured out from the start. The key is to keep moving forward, keep learning, and keep applying what you've learned. Your experience, your qualifications, and your determination make you unique. And that's what will make you stand out. Your qualification is the start, not the finish. It's what you do with it that matters next. If this episode got you thinking about your next steps, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone else in the industry who's wondering where to go from here. And if you haven't already, hit follow or subscribe to I'm No Rookie so you don't miss what's coming up next. We've got more real stories, practical advice, and behind the scenes truths to help you carve your own career path. If you're looking for some support turning your skills into something more, head over to developingeducatorsacademy.com and you'll find resources, courses, and tools to help you just do that. Remember, you're no rookie, you just need the right space to grow.